Okay, and another lot, I think it's lot L1015 for our May 24th 2023 government surplus vehicle and equipment auction. Here is a 2002 Volvo water tanker or street flusher. So street flushing system, there's a couple of pipes that need repairs that we've noticed. The system seems to power on, but of course, you know, we put water in it and the water all leaks out because the pipes have broken. I'll show you where one of them is here. Right near the front, you can see there's a T-junction. This is the part right here, and the junction belongs right down in there. So yeah, and so anyways, there's the truck here. I'll just go along. It's a 2002 Volvo. It's got a Volvo power in it. There's the big power pump system. Tires on it, BFG 11R22.5s. They're probably recaps. Excellent condition. Tires are really good. Tread on them anyways. Tank looks like it's a steel tank. Should actually probably go grab a magnet and see. So make sure you read the description to see what the final determination was. In fact, can you grab me a magnet off the forklift? And one double door storage compartment there. Here's another street flushing nozzle on this side. There's a dent there in the fuel tank. A little bit of damage on the front of the cab corner right in this area here. You can see it's kind of been repaired. So there's a few accessories in the top here. Might be an aluminum tank. Oh, there we go. So, stainless steel or aluminum. It's definitely not steel. Not sure. I mean, there you can see our magnet sticks there. So, but yes, not even sure how many gallons that is. My guess, lots. Probably a 2,500 gallon tank. But like I said, that's just a guess. I really don't know. Anyways, the vehicle was towed into our location here. Everything gets towed to our location. We have driven it around the yard. Seems to start and run. We did put new batteries in it because the batteries in it were a little bit dead. So we put a whole brand new set of 3 batteries. I'll just kind of, it's got a Volvo D7 diesel engine. Really low miles for 2002, considering it's like 21 years old. I'll just give it a start. Oh, sorry, had the fan on earlier. Oh, that fan. So 97,746 kilometers. 3,200 hours. That's what's on the meter. Like I said, she starts, runs, appears to drive back and forth, not a problem. There's all the controls for the street flushing system. I have had them, they appear to work and everything, you know. They all move and control. There we go. You can see this one here is going up and down. So, but like I said, there's no water in it, so I don't want to run the pump. But yeah, see, it seems to be fairly well complete. I'll climb out now and stuff the camera in so you can listen to the motor. Just give you the information here. Transmission. Engine, 275 horsepower, D7, Volvo D7, and push button automatic, Allison automatic. So this is selling by online auction. We are a completely unreserved auction company. All items sell to the highest bid. This is a government surplus unit from one of the local municipalities here in the Metro Vancouver area. We are located in Langley, British Columbia. Everything sells on the website there, bcsurplus.com. We are all city auctioneers. Make sure you read the terms and conditions of sale, because of course everything's sold as is, where is. This is a government surplus vehicle, and hope you get another buy-by auction, because the highest bid wins.